Hello there, good evening. It wasn't a bad day after a rather cloudy start. We did have a few brighter breaks develop this afternoon. Over the coming days, our weather will stay largely fine, dry and settled. We will have a few scatter showers pushing through, but for the most part it should stay dry and pleasantly warm in any brighter breaks. This evening we have a brief ridge of high pressure starting to build in. It will continue to influence our weather for the next couple of days at least, keeping things fine, dry and settled. However, we do have a weak frontal system pushing in from the west, bringing one or two scatter showers at times as we move towards the weekend. Ahead of that, this evening, any showers should finally die out, becoming largely dry in the overnight period. Quite a lot of cloud around, but we will have a few breaks in that cloud, which will see a few mist and fog patches forming as we head towards dawn. It is yet again another mild and muggy night. Temperatures holding up at 16 or 17 degrees Celsius. So a mild start tomorrow morning. Any cloud will lift and break. Sunny spells will develop into the afternoon. Some fair weather cloud will push in, which could produce one or two light showers over the tops of the Pennines. Winds staying generally light and temperatures reaching highs around 22, possibly 23 degrees Celsius. Looking ahead to Friday, as that weak front starts to track eastwards, more cloud will start to filter in and build. Temperatures ranging from 20 to 22 degrees Celsius, but it should stay largely dry through into the afternoon. As we head towards the weekend, we'll have a few bright and sunny breaks developing through Saturday. Temperatures in and around average for this time of year. Could possibly have some rain pushing through on Sunday. That is something to keep an eye on in the forecast over the next couple of days, with some mild and muggy nights in the forecast too. That is the very latest. The pollen forecast is coming up next. Hello there, good evening. We had plenty of cloud around today and one or two light patchy showers in places. It is an improving picture over the next couple of days. We have a brief ridge of high pressure building in overnight tonight, so we could see some bright and sunny spells developing tomorrow afternoon, but always the slight chance of one or two showers as we move towards the weekend. That brief ridge will start to build in overnight tonight, keeping things largely fine, dry and settled through tomorrow. We have a weak frontal system pushing in from the Atlantic over the next few days, bringing a few scattered showers, but on the westerly flow it should move through fairly quickly. Any showers this evening will start to die out as we move towards the latter part of the day. In the overnight period, we could have some patchy cloud in places, but where we have clear skies, some mist and fog patches will form as we move through the early hours. Temperature staying on the relatively mild side, holding up between 11 and 14 degrees Celsius. So a mild start tomorrow morning then. Any cloud will lift and clear. Some bright sunny spells developing. As we move through the morning into the afternoon, we'll see some patchy fair weather cloud bubbling up, pushing in from the west. Winds staying on the light side, so feeling warm and pleasant in any brighter breaks. Top temperature of 21, possibly 22 degrees Celsius. Across the rest of Ireland, it's a largely dry day. Some bright sunny spells, patchy cloud into the afternoon with light winds. Temperatures will reach highs of 22 degrees Celsius, but into the evening, that front will start to push in across the southwest. The winds will pick up and it will become cloudier in the overnight period. Quite cloudy through Friday as the front arrives in. Temperatures around average for this time of year. Cloudy again on Saturday with one or two brighter breaks and the odd shower in places, but we could have some rain on Sunday, but keep an eye on the forecast for further details. Bye-bye.